Assalamu alaikum, friends. You are watching Technical Chat No One. Today, we are going to talk about the Realme 14X, which is a powerful and feature-packed smartphone. This phone is gaining a lot of popularity due to its powerful specifications and stylish design. In this video, we will provide a detailed review of each feature and specification, so it becomes easier for you to decide if this phone is the best choice for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by talking about the phone's design and build quality. SIM and durability. This phone supports nano SIM. Additionally, it comes with IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, making it highly durable. It is also GJB 150.18a certified, meaning it can function even in tough environments. Colors. The Realme 14X is available in 3 beautiful colors: crystal black, golden glow, and jewel red. Each color is unique and stylish in its own way, and is sure to win anyone's heart. The display of this phone is also quite impressive. Type and size. It features a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Realme 14X runs on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0. This interface is very user-friendly and fast. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm chipset and Mali G57 MC2 GPU. This phone is available in different storage and RAM variants: 128GB storage with 6GB or 8GB RAM, 256GB storage with 8GB. You can choose any variant based on your requirement. This phone is a good choice for camera enthusiasts. Main camera. The phone features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide sensor that supports PDAF. The secondary camera is unspecified, but the combination with LED flash, HDR, and panorama features ensures great photography. Selfie camera. An 8-megapixel wide selfie camera is included, which supports 1080p at 30fps video recording. It's a decent option for selfie lovers. This phone is equipped with both a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is quite convenient. Connectivity. It supports WLAN and Bluetooth, but there is no NFC or radio. It features a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. The phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast and reliable. While other sensors are not specified, basic sensors are expected. Now let's discuss the battery, which is an essential part of any phone. Battery capacity. It has a massive 6,000 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days on a single charge. Charging. The phone supports 45 watts fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging. So friends, this was a detailed review of the Realme 14X. Based on its specifications, it's a powerful option in the mid-range category. Its design, display, and performance are impressive, and the 6,000 mAh battery makes it an all-rounder. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish phone, the Realme 14X is definitely worth considering. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video with another review.